What's up guys, welcome to Where Is The Money YouTube channel. My name is Leo, and on this channel guys, I'll be growing a £50 account into 10k in 6 months and show you guys how you guys can do the same. Yes, by the title of the video, you've guessed it already. I did blow my first account, right? My first attempt, I blew the account. Now, it's been 2 weeks since the last time that I did update you guys actually in terms of my progress, and the reason why, right, my account in terms of my FX book was not tracking, was not updating. Guys, it's a long story, but cutting a long story short, I did manage to go back and forth with the support and managed to connect back the account. So that week I blew the account wasn't updating, nothing was going well that week, right? Now let me just show you guys where my account is right now, because I had to adapt, overcome and win. Let me show you guys what really happened. It was £5 here, £5 here, £4 here. This was all on the same day. It's very clear why I blew the account. You guys can see that I took losses back to back. Actually, some of these positions, they were closed by the broker because I didn't have enough margin to hold those positions. I was using the right lot size, but using the right lot size and having multiple positions, that can make your risk management go throughout the window. So what I did, I was on a losing trade on the GU. Okay, I was on the sell, but the price just kept going up. Instead of cutting my losses early, I just kept on adding position and I end up finding myself chasing the trade. By the time I blinked and I noticed, the account was already gone. One of the things that I would say that I really needed to bear in mind in this account, in this small account, is to cut my losses early, because I was really expecting the price to come back down again. And I had some positions on gold also. Gold just kept going up as well on my opposite direction. Then when I noticed the account had already like £6 or something, £6 or £7, that's when I decided, you know what, cool, that account is gone, right? But I really had to adapt. I can't quit on myself, okay, because I'm really going to do this. This is a challenge for me. Then I end up depositing just enough money just to get my account back to 50. So I ended up depositing about £43, because like I said, my account had just £7 from 106 that I had in that account, right? I blew the account all the way down to £7, and I deposited just enough money to bring the account back to 50, because that's the challenge. Start with 50 and get it to 10k. So I deposit £43, and I just started the challenge again. At this moment, guys, I really went very aggressive on this account, because in my mind I was basically thinking I need at least to make back all the money that I did deposit into this account. By trying to do that, by trying to go very aggressive here, you can see I did over leverage once more. All right, then I lost £13 in 2 different positions. Okay, I say cool, no worries, I still had some money in there. Okay, as you can imagine, at that moment the account was going down again. Then what I did, I really had to check myself, say, you know what, Leo, this is a small account. There's no really, pressure for you to really trying to make that money quick back. It happened. You just really need to adapt and keep moving. So I just really start pacing myself, and slowly, okay, slowly start making the money back. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a lot of greens here. Okay, in here I did over leverage on gold. I was overconfident, it went my way. There was a setup that I was looking at. I cleared my mind and really focused. Made £15, cool. Here made £15 here on AUD cards, £17 on AUD cards, which brought my account back to where it was supposed to be. But then by that time I've had recovered my losses, and just kept going. Then here once more, overconfident, right? GU overconfident, end up losing £7 here, £7 here. All right, like I said, I was being aggressive. All right, then here a couple losses, but then I got in that state of mind, say, all right, Leo, cool, you can have losses, but when you have the losses, you have to make sure that your losses are smaller than your gains. Down here, making £7 on gold. This trade, actually, I've placed it, I went to sleep, I woke up, hit my take profit, or I was like, fantastic. Then on GU, made £7 here, £4 here on Japanese yen, right? And as you guys can see, I just trade a certain currency pairs, right? I don't trade many currency pairs. That's it, guys. So that's the reason why I blew the account. I ended up chasing the trade, didn't close the positions, ended up opening multiple positions and stayed longer. The broker having to close some of the positions because there was not enough margin on that account to hold those positions. I just kept going. I didn't quit. I put extra money in there. And I just start again. You know what? Let's go again. Let's adapt and let's overcome this and win. And from there, guys, I just, always been using the same lot size, 0.01, as you guys can see. I learned my lesson. This is a small account, Leo. Just keep it small and simple and slowly grow the account. Right now, let me show you guys where the account is, because this goes, if I go to the number one, okay, to the actual day, right? To the actual day, today I just had to make £5 because I have a compound daily growth, and that's one of the things, guys. I was not following my plan on that day. Back on track, I'm really making sure that I'm following the plan. So all I had to make today was £5.87, and that was done today. So right now on this account, I have £222. Let's check my growth chart, and as you guys can see, there was a big dip down here. Okay, there was a big dip down here, and now the account just been growing steadily. Now it will say that I'm on minus here. The reason that it will say that in terms of gains I'm on minus 57% is because on top of my initial £50 deposit, I made profit on top of it, right? So the system will count overall how much I made in this account. But in terms of all my initial deposits, I've made it back, which what I was really focusing on, make my initial deposit. Even if I want right now to take my initial deposit, my two initial deposits, which was about £93, okay, I would still fine. I can take all my initial deposit and just trade with my profit, but I'll just leave it for now. It just gives me an extra space to really breathe and carry on. This really doesn't matter to me. I'm really glad that I did register with my FX book, because right now I can see in terms of stats where I need to improve, what I need to do, where I'm getting things wrong, which was really helpful for me to really assess myself in terms of trading and how I'm behaving to the market conditions emotionally, and in terms of strategy also. Now, what I really traded, guys, as you guys can see, let me close this on here. I did trade gold, right? I did trade gold. I've been selling gold most of the times, right? I'm just looking for sales on gold. I'm not very strong on I'm not really very optimistic on the buy scenario right now. I find myself being more profitable when I sell gold and GU. So right now I've been just trading these three pairs, so GU, GJ and gold, and that's how I'm going to grow my account, right? Just trading 2-3 currency pairs maximum that you guys can see here. All the rest is just noise here on the side, something that I might have a look and touch from time to time and things like that. So guys, this is the updates, and this is where the account is, and it's just to show, look, you really have to, in trading there's going to be blows, but you should not allow your losses be bigger than your wins. When you lose, you really down, you want to quit and everything, and when you win, you're happy, okay? But when you lose, the loss gets you in such distress, in such low mood, that you just want to quit. You think you're not good enough, right? You really need to learn to not let your mind get in that state and just straight away pull yourself back, right? And bounce and adapt. And I really had to adapt in here. Say, you know what? Keep moving. If you like this video, if you found something interesting, make sure you just hit the like button. And I'll see you guys next week with another update. Take care, guys.